bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, today is going to be the very first video that we're going to talk about top 5. Now, what is top 5? What I decided to do is every Wednesday I'm going to bring a video to you guys, and I'm going to pick one item that I love the most and show you samples of that item. So today we're going to talk about washi tapes. I already picked out the most 5 used washi tapes that I have in my craft room. It was very, very hard to do because obviously I love washi tape and I love all of them, but I narrowed it down to the ones that I use the most, and so I'm going to show you guys which ones they are. Now, every Wednesday, stay tuned. If you guys like these videos, let me know. Let's start slow. Let's start like every Wednesday. If we like these videos and you think it's a good idea, then maybe I can do you know, more often. Instead of like every Wednesday, maybe we can bump it up to like twice a week or something. So let's see how this works out, and you guys let me know if you like these videos, okay? So today we're going to talk about washi tapes. I already have my list for the rest of the Wednesdays, so I'm really happy and excited about this series. Okay, so let's talk about washi tapes, right? Obviously, we all love washi tapes, and washi tapes are one of those things that it's very, very hard to pick, and kind of like have a nice selection of washi tapes is always good, but when you need to pick 5, it's really, really hard. So let me show you what I picked, and I want to show you my favorite washi tapes that I use. I mean, this is like my go-to. Like, I go to these washi tapes every single day. So the very first one is this one from Michaels. Now, I don't know. I know that these are not out anymore, obviously. They don't sell. You know what? Let me bring you close. Hold on. Let me bring you close to me. They don't sell these washi tapes anymore because these were the ones that they sell in the little bins that they have. Let me see. What are they called? Those Craft Smart little bins. They had these a while ago, so they don't sell these anymore. But I gotta tell you guys, this is my ultimate favorite washi tape. This is my go-to. I literally love this washi tape so much. It's like one of my favorite washi tapes in the world. I love this washi tape, and I think it's just because of the bird and just the nest and the pink like bird eggs right there. It's just a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous washi tape. I love it. And when I say I love it, I mean I love it. I have backups to them. I mean, this is gonna literally take me about 2 years to go through. But what I did was, because I loved it so much, when I went to Michael's, I used to always pick 1 or 2 out. And so I have tons of backup for this washi tape, which is like my favorite ever. I just love it. Another one that I have here that I also have backups for is the second one that I absolutely adore, which is this bird right here. I am in love with this bird. I use it every time I have a chance to use this bird. Believe me when I tell you, I use it. It is so gorgeous. It is so beautiful. I just love it. Can we just talk about the pink? I mean, really, can we just talk about it? Look how beautiful this bird is. I just love it. Absolutely my favorite washi tape in the entire world. These 2 washi tapes right here are like my go-to. And you can see how beautiful it looks there, right? How gorgeous. Okay, perfect. So besides these 2, another washi tape that I really love, I don't have a backup to this washi tape, but I am trying my best to try to locate this washi tape. It's from Tim Holtz, and I am obsessed with this washi tape. I go to this, I mean, this is like my go-to. When I don't know what to do, I don't know like what to add in a spread or in a planner, I go to this washi tape. This is a beautiful, beautiful washi tape. It's from Tim Holtz. It has butterflies. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I don't know where I can find this washi tape. I haven't come across it anymore. but I am definitely searching for it. I don't know if it came individual. I don't know if it came in a set of like 4 or 6. I don't remember. It's been a very long time that I had this washi tape, but by far my go-to as well, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It goes with anything. Okay, the next one. Now I made this kind of a 2-in-1 because this is really one of these washi tapes that come 3 in a pack, and this is from Michaels. This is a very easy washi tape to find. Michael has these washi tapes all the time, but I always seem to go for these 2 washi tapes. I don't know why. It may be the gold detail, it may be the pink, I don't know, but these are like my go-to washi tapes and literally my favorites, especially the pink one. And again, they come in a pack of 3 like this, and you can get this at Michaels. I always buy a few of these just to have them, you know, put away just for emergencies. Is definitely my go-to, and I just love, I think the pink one is one of my favorites. I love how it's just so beautiful. The gold on it is just really pretty, and it gives like a really pretty, like nice look to any project that you add this washi tape to. The white and the gold is also pretty. I also go to it as well, but I tend to go more for the pink one, and this is what it looks like. It's just gorgeous. I gotta tell you, I really do love these 2. Again, my favorite would be the pink, but it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. Okay, so I kind of categorize this as 1 washi tape instead of like 2 because they come in a bundle. So again, we have 3 here, and then we have 4, and then we have 1 more to show you. Again, I did the same thing with this one. There are 2 of them because it comes in a bundle. This actually comes together in a set of like, I think it's like 6 or 8 washi tapes, and I am obsessed over this washi tape. I literally have backups to this everywhere. I am obsessed over this washi tape, and clearly you can see why. Look how beautiful is this washi tape. It is my favorite by far. So let me put this here so you can see it. It is absolutely a dream come true if you are a person who loves anything to do with floral or flowers. Oh my gosh, this washi tape is your life. You need to get this washi tape. I am not sure if they still sell it at Michaels. I believe they still do. Again, it comes in a bundle of like 6 or 8 washi tapes. You know the ones that comes in little tubings? Those are the ones that I'm talking about. And this is included in that. It's just beautiful. But look how beautiful this is, guys. Can you see how gorgeous this washi tape is? I just love it. It is the most beautiful. I mean, it's just so gorgeous, this washi tape. It's absolutely breathtaking. I wish you can see it. Like, I mean, if you guys can see this at Michael's, just pick it up. You will not regret it. It's beautiful. And then along with this one, you also get something similar to this one, but in a thinner version, which is this one. I like literally also obsessed with this one as well. It is absolutely beautiful. I just love the floral in these washi tapes. It still gives it like a vintagey look, but yet it's just so girly, so playful. It's just beautiful. It's just really beautiful. Look at this washi tape right here, how gorgeous this is. It's absolutely beautiful, and that's this one right here. So again, these 2 come together in a set, and I would really highly recommend to pick these up. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I have backups here because I am obsessed over it. I use this like crazy. So I just wanted to show you guys my top, it's not really 5, but more or less. These are the washi tapes that I go to the most. They're really used in my home. Any crafting projects that I use, I definitely go more towards these than anything else. I also love my other washi tapes, but these are my most go-to. Okay, my loves, I hope you guys love this video. I'm trying to make these videos like less than 10 minutes because I don't want it to be too long. So so hopefully this series will be helpful for you guys. Okay, the next one is going to be about punches, and then I have like a whole bunch of other different things that I want to talk to you about. So I will see you on my next video, which will be next Wednesday. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe. Thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I love you all. Bye, honey bunnies. Have a good weekend.